Okay, the next problem is very similar to this first one. Let's draw a triangle, because that's going to be our first step, is to draw a picture. And as long as it's a right triangle, it's going to work. So there's my right triangle. And once again, I'm going to label it A, B, C. The measure of angle B is 74 degrees. So the measure of angle B is 74 degrees. We know that side C is 180. Side C is across from angle C. So side C is 180. We need to find the unknown, which is B, side B, which is directly across. This is the unknown. That's what we're trying to find. So once again, we have to ask ourselves, should we use sine, cosine, or tangent to solve? Well, if I look at angle B, which is 74 degrees, the opposite side is the unknown. And again, we know our hypotenuse, so we're working with O and H again, because this is the hypotenuse. So if we're dealing with O and H, we're going to use sine again. So we would have the sine of our angle, which we know the measure of is 74, equals O over H. Opposite, which is our unknown, over hypotenuse, which is 180. And just like we set the one above it up, we're going to set this one up the same way. I'm going to put this over 1. And then to solve this, I would just cross multiply. So I'm going to take the sine of 74 times 180 divided by 1, which you really don't need to plug into your calculator. And you get B equals 173.0271, and it keeps going. But once again, the directions say to round to two significant digits. So I want my first two digits, 100, and I'm going to keep that as 7 because the number after it is less than 5. So it would be 170. So side B would be 170.